Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for November 24th through December 6th. The pattern's forecast consists of a ridge over the east and a ridge over the west with a deep trough in the east for November 24th to the 28th. Okay, but in the meantime, there's been a lot of talk about possible storm system around Wednesday or Thursday next week. And here we're looking at the GFS, and the GFS as we go forward in time. And here's our low here developing out west. This is on Thursday. On Friday, that's tomorrow. And then we get to Saturday. Here's a large high settling into the center of the country that moves east. And then we're into Sunday. Then we're like Monday. And here's our storm systems here starting to develop across the Gulf. And we'll go forward now. This is next Tuesday, and then we have Wednesday. It's over here, over the southeast, and the system comes up the coast. Now the problem is how far and how deep the system gets, as always the case during this kind of period. And then you can see the GFS brings it out to sea, and that's Wednesday. The other models here, this is the European, brings it more northward and on the coast. It brings it down through the southwest, and just follow this. Here's our storm system here. And brings it right up. This is on Thursday and brings it right up the coast. Now, there's the models are not in very good agreement, but one thing for sure, there'll probably be a storm, and they'll produce a variety of weather, especially heavy rain across the south, and maybe a mixture. It depends how far north it gets to the north. Now, the other situation is the cold air. I have two Arctic blasts. The first one will bring Arctic air from the Midwest to the northeast, and it will be felt across much of the nation from the Mississippi Valley to the Atlantic coast. The next cold blast will affect areas in the wake of this system that moves through the southern states and off the coast. Okay, now we're going to look at the period for November 26th to December 1st, and the forecast is for an anomalous ridge near the Bering Strait, another ridge forecast over the northwest North America, and we have a full latitude trough in the east, as you can see right here. Let me see if I can get a better picture of what's going on. This is the European. Oh, maybe this is a better picture of showing the storm system. I had the wrong map up. And we're going to go forward. We're at Monday now. Here's our storm system here across south. And you see the European brings it right over the coast, the east coast. Alright, so getting back to the other thing. Now, this is the. Let's see what model pops up now. This is the European, and we're going to be centered on the 21st. Here's our ridge over the west. We have our trough developing here in the east, delivering the cold air. And then as we get '26th, 27th, and the system starts to lift out, and we'll see the cold air coming in. And here's our hint of our next system that might pose a threat later on beyond this period. So during this forecast, I'm calling for above normal temperatures for this region, below normal temperatures from the plains to Atlantic coast for precipitation. Calling for below normal precipitation here, above normal precipitation for the east coast. Now, models have picked little change in the pattern for December 2nd through the 6th. However, a split flow is forecast in the west and indications of a weak anomaly heights in the southwest. So during this forecast period, not looking for much change in our temperature anomaly, but for our precipitation anomalies, we're expecting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. So that is a long-range weather forecast discussion for November 24th through December 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.